What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to another brand new video. You guys know what time it is. It is May. It's that time of the month again. These are 10 amazing Android apps that you must try for the month of May 2019. With that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it.
Sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprise you.
Alright guys, for the first app in this app list, we're going with this really cool icon pack that I currently have set on my home screen. It's called Silhouette Icon Pack, and if you guys haven't already used it before, trust me, you should. So after having a lot of really bright and vibrant setups on my home screen, I wanted to go for something dark and something minimal, yet that's something that looks really cool. And if you're looking for dark icons along with undertones of colors and some sort of a vintage look or even some sort of a 3D look, then this icon pack, which is completely free by the way, is something that you should really consider. It looks absolutely great with this amazing wallpaper that I have set on my home screen, links to which are again in the description below, and it's completely free, supports a wide variety of launchers and has a lot of icons, so you don't have to worry about them. Definitely be sure to check it out, link in the description below. Now next up we have an application called Casca, and whether you have an Instagram page where you upload quotes or you just need good backgrounds and some sort of a quote creating machine on your phone, this is the way to go. So basically what Casca allows you to do is provides you with a lot of different cool templates with really good backgrounds, a lot of different fonts, and a lot of different options to customize these fonts and make your quote look a certain way. It's really cool and it looks absolutely amazing. And if you don't vibe with the amount of filters or the amount of templates that the app has, you can also create your very own from scratch, where you even decide the background, the font, the opacity, the text size, the color, the canvas size, and all of that good stuff. It's free, it's super easy to use. You can directly save them to your gallery or upload it to Instagram or wherever you're uploading these quotes to. Trust me, if making quotes on your phone is something that you've been considering, this free app is the way to go, so definitely be sure to check it out. Alright guys, next up we have something called Fluid Simulation Free, and while this app has no real purpose unless you like seeing wavy colors explode on that beautiful display of your phone, but for some reason the app is extremely satisfying, which is why I have included it in this month's app list. So essentially Fluid Simulation Free allows you to customize various amounts of different swirling patterns on your screen, which you can also set as a live wallpaper if you really like them. Now there are a lot of things that you can customize, including the resolution, the bloom, the intensity, you can add sun rays and all of that good stuff. And once you're done with that, you can basically touch on the home screen or on the app itself to create these really cool patterns that respond to your touch and also respond to the edges of your screen, and they sort of flow, and you can set them as your live wallpaper and it looks absolutely beautiful, especially if you have an AMOLED or an OLED panel. So definitely be sure to check it out. This is an eye pleaser if not anything else. Alright guys, next up we have dad jokes, and while a lot of us get irritated when you hear these jokes in real life, looking at them through an application basically makes you realize how witty they actually are. So essentially the app is a collection and curation of various jokes which are meant in the literal sense or are kind of lame, but nevertheless they are still really fun. So whether you're looking for funny captions or you just want an app to make you laugh, to make you chuckle, to make you help you through the tough times of your life, and also an app which has a very good UI, allows you to change the color theme and favorite jokes and all of that good stuff, this is a really well-rounded app to go to. It is very funny. You really have to read some of these jokes to find out and get the comedic factor out of it, but trust me, if a jokes app is something that you're looking for, definitely check this one out. I'm pretty sure you'll end up liking it. Alright, next up we have something called Mindset Billionaire Thoughts, and if you're a person who enjoys work ethic, if you're a person who enjoys hustling and essentially having the belief that working hard gets you good things in life and you need a little bit of motivation to get you started every single day, then this app is going to be your go-to app from now on. So essentially, it's a curation of really good quotes related to working hard, hustling, motivation, grinding, and everything that will help you achieve your dreams and be ambitious about it. And the pictures are also super high quality, so you can also download them or like them, share it with someone, or set them as your wallpaper. It is very nice, and the UI is pretty straightforward. It's very simple, and they regularly update the collection, so definitely be sure to check it out. Alright guys, next up we have Dashlane, which is essentially a very smart all-in-one password manager that allows you to save all of your passwords that you use in all of your devices around the internet into one single place. And it's super secure. It has been mentioned in the New York Times, and it's a very high rated application, so you don't have to worry about the safety of your data in the application's hands. And basically, once you've saved all your passwords inside, you can autofill them wherever you want, whether you're on your computer or on your phone, as long as you're logged into the same account. And what's better than that, it's completely free, up to 50 passwords on one device, and you can use it without any hiccups and without any problems. It has made my life a hell of a lot easier, so be sure to check it out. Link in the description below. Alright, moving on, we have something called MuscleMattox, and if you're into gymming or into having a good body or even working out and staying healthy in general, then this is going to be an app which is really going to help you understand the different types of muscles that you hit when you do certain exercises. So once you open up the app, there is this huge section of workouts where you can look at various types of workouts, including abs, chest, triceps, and various types of other body parts. And basically they have these curated workout lists that you can open, and once you open them, you can see the muscle parts, the primary muscles that you hit, and also how many sets or reps that you have to do in order to build that certain particular muscle. If you're gymming and if you're just starting out, this is something I would highly recommend, because it really helps you if you don't have a trainer or someone to guide you with. So definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright, so all the guys watching this video, back me up on this. In India, there are very little websites or even very little apps that let you take care of your skin or your grooming in general if you're a guy. There are tons of applications outside for girls and for everyone. There are like every single application, but for guys it's very limited, and you really have to nitpick a lot if you want to find something new. Well, the guys over at Mica, or the girls over at Mica, who've created this amazing makeup brand for women, have come out with the very own rendition of Mica Man, which lets you buy branded, proper, non-fake perfumes and deos and basically anything that you would keep yourself to keep you groomed as a man, including beard oils and shavers and face wash and everything of that sort. So if you're looking to be on your grooming game, and if you need something genuine to buy good stuff from, check it out, link in the description below. Alright guys, last but definitely not the least, we have a game, and this one is called Drive. Well, your question might be, Anubhav, what does Drive game you about? Well, you have to drive. It's literally the name itself. So the app has a very into the Spider-Verse comic-y type of a feel and graphics, and the controls are super simple, but I really like the way it looks. And basically you have to almost drift ride through this entire deserty area, which changes obviously. The levels change and the scenarios change. You have to keep an eye on your fuel meter, keep an eye on your damage meter, and basically work as an endless runner and go as far as you can. It is really cool, but again, it's very difficult. So if you're ever in a place where you need to pass some time, then you should definitely check this one out. It is a very cool game, a very fun game. So why the hell not? And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this month's app rendition, don't forget to drop a like, comment below which was your favorite app or any other app that you want me to check out in a future episode. Until then, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. This is Anubhav signing out. I will catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.